today, for this episode, I'll be unboxing Tupac Funko Pops. And he's my favorite rapper of all time. That's why I got this. Ever since I started unboxing my toys, I can really appreciate them. Buying toys is exciting for me, but opening toys and playing with the toys, that takes you to a whole new level. So let's start. Let's start unboxing this. Let's look at the packaging. Of course, first we'll take out the boss protector. Okay. Boss protectors here in the Philippines cost around 50 pesos. That's like $1. Okay, right around $1, US dollar. Okay, got that out. Man, look at that box. Still in really great condition. So this is the second Tupac that came out, because the first one is really rare. It's really crazy expensive now. You know, the one who he's wearing jeans, shirtless, and he's wearing the caterpillar boots. So, man, Tupac, man, rest in peace. That's my homie right here. Okay, it's really cool. So there's no tape or anything, so it's easy to just open. Don't need my trusty Swiss Army knife. But the box I'll be keeping. These Funko Pops, they look cool inside the box. There's no need to throw these boxes. That pops out. See? It's cool. Tupac's signature bandana. Nice. That's probably Versace. You know? Or no. Yeah. He loves Versace, right? Versace. Tell me how many oh, yeah. That's Tupac, man. So you can't move the arms. Basically, it's like a statue. You can just move his head. There you go, Exorcist style. I love it, man. I guess the theme here is remember his album, All Eyes on Me. He's wearing the all leather apparel. He has the gold Rolex, all the gold chains, and got the necklace. So it's cool. This reminds me of the All Eyes on Me album. You know, the dual album. So nice. Even the design of the bandana, that's Versace, right? Fosachi. What movie was that? Fosachi. I think that was Friday or next Friday. Okay, there, better view. He has the nose ring, both earrings, and that's pretty much it. But damn, it's nice. That's it for my review. I'll be putting this back in the box and displaying it, or be playing with it for a while. Okay, so please hit that subscribe button right here and like the video. If you like the video, you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. And tomorrow I'll be opening up a new toy. Ooh, okay, that's hot. Nice.